Champions Club. Super Bowl rings.
This is the champions, and this is the highlight, our 2 Super Bowl wins. So these are the playoff games for the first Super Bowl and the playoff games for the second Super Bowl.
Nice. That was at the second one.
We're going to walk out from the Legend Suite. We're going to come back through here, so you'll get to see again.
How do you get to come to the Legend Suite?
Pay for it.
If you whip out that.
Pull out that
Legend
Amex.
Suites are on contract.
Wow.
These guys pay, I don't know, it's somewhere $150,000 or whatever.
150,000 a game?
No, a year.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wait, per person.
No, for the suite, for the use of the suite. And their seats are right out here, of course, right behind the goal.
Wow.
150,000 per season. And how many seats is that?
That's 25 for each suite, 25 people for each suite.
Holy shit! And it's
Well,
150.
that's because they're mixing in between in and out. They're not just big them here, sit here.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah, but there are 11 of them.
I gotcha. So it's 150K. It's 25.
This is how it would look if you're sitting here behind the goal.
Wow.
The grass is real grass.
This is incredible.
It's ryegrass and Bermuda grass.
Yeah.
There are heating elements underneath the grass which will melt ice and snow in the winter. You'll see those.
Can we go just out to here?
We're going to go around the other way, on the
okay.
other side.
We're going to be on the field goal. I mean, you are.
Yeah, I'm not even sure if they even have anything open here, really. I don't think so.
This is beautiful.
When you're Wayne, you can go wherever you want.
Oh, yeah, I can.
I told you that. Wayne knows what he wants. Wayne's got tenure 3 years in.
Right? It's only 6,000.
Wow, look at this thing.
That's only 6,000 per person.
Your guy's
For the
going to
season.
score and come right over here and hand you the ball, right?
Exactly.
This
This
is
is
very
incredible.
Cool. I mean,
Now, I did mention the grass is real grass, but if you look here, this is AstroTurf. We keep it AstroTurf for our vehicles so they can get around out here.
Hey, who's that?
That's you, babe.
Hey!
no bad reviews?
Never.
Wow.
See how this tour goes.
Not one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look
Wow.
at you, babe.
That was good timing, huh?
Yeah,
I
right?
like that. Good job.
Thanks.
Wow.
So cool.
These people are amazing.
You're
See, even Ray Lewis said we're honest and we care.
See those white things sticking up out there on the field? They're sensors. They sense the moisture and the temperature and all of the grass.
Take them out when you put the
Did they have this same? Did they have the same setup with the Vikings game when it snowed its ass off?
They have heat out there.
Okay. Did
They
they
have
have
heat.
it then? What was that? 5-6 years ago?
Yeah. Oh,
They
yeah.
did? Okay.
Originally, we had it. Yeah.
It must have just been snowing so hard, like
Some
dude, it
years
was like
they
watching
changed
an
this
out.
grass
It was like
out
watching a
2 or 3
backyard
times a year.
football game. They scored.